Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Leather Bitcoin DeFi Wallet app. We'll go through the main features, including creating a wallet, viewing your balance, sending and receiving crypto, buying assets, swapping tokens, and checking your activity history. First, open the Leather Wallet app and tap Create Wallet. The app will generate a recovery phrase. This phrase is very important because it can be used to restore your wallet if you lose access to your device. Write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share it with anyone. After creating your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here you can view your wallet balance, supported assets, and an overview of your account. To send crypto, tap the Send button. Enter the recipient's wallet address, select the asset you want to send, enter the amount, review the transaction details, and then confirm the transfer. To receive crypto, tap the Receive button. Your wallet address and QR code will be displayed. Copy the address or share the QR code with the sender. Once the transaction is completed, the funds will appear in your wallet balance. Next is the Buy feature. Tap Buy, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, select an available payment method, review the details, and complete the purchase process. You can also use the Swap feature to exchange one supported cryptocurrency for another. Tap Swap, choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to receive, review the exchange details, and confirm the transaction. Finally, you'll see the Activity section. Tap on it to view your transaction history. Here you can check recent sends, receives, swaps, purchases, and other wallet activities. That's a quick overview of how to use the Leather Bitcoin DeFi Wallet app and its main features. This video is made for educational purposes only and is not based on personal experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video.